And happening right now tonight, Indiana school leaders sparring with parents over mask rules, while IU Health suspends hundreds of employees for choosing not to get vaccinated. Thank you for joining us. I'm Phil Sanchez.
And I'm Alexis Rogers. iTeam 8 is covering all the angles tonight. Let's go ahead and start with Jasmine Miner, who's been following the IU Health suspensions all day.
Well, I'm told about 300 employees who have not been vaccinated as of yesterday are being placed on a 2-week unpaid suspension. Now, those on suspension will be able to return to work if they attest to partial or full vaccination. IU health officials tell me the other 700 of the 1,000 who remain not fully vaccinated are either on their way to getting the vaccine or just waiting on their second dose. IU health officials gave me this statement. They say as COVID-19 infections and hospitalizations continue to surge, the hospitals will temporarily suspend 100% of inpatient elective surgeries, and the surge of COVID-19 patient volumes has continued to accelerate, and this temporary change is needed to further relieve pressure on our care teams. In June, hundreds of healthcare workers protested against the vaccine mandate, claiming it was a violation of their medical freedom to choose. One of those organizers, Tracy Staley, who works at IU Health, tells me all people want is choice. Patients will be the ones who suffer from the hospital's decision to take away their employees' rights. The State Department of Health says that hospital capacity levels are at their worst since January. Now, I asked IU Health if those suspensions are going to impact staffing or really just treatment for patients. I was told many of the team members who are non-compliant are not clinical or frontline healthcare workers. I'm Jasmine Miner for Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Community Health Network sent a letter to the local schools recommending universal mask usage. The hospital chain says students older than age 2, along with all faculty, staff, and visitors, should wear a face covering. Because a sizable portion of school-age kids are still eligible for the vaccine, they also say that masks are the best defense. So against the virus, rather. They also cite concerns about variants being able to spread more easily among kids and teenagers.